In a world that's rapidly shifting towards digital landscapes, the question of how to make money online surfaces often. The year is 2026, and while many of the pioneers of online entrepreneurship have paved the road, the path is still lined with opportunities for those willing to embark on the journey from zero. Today, we'll explore a simple, yet effective system that anyone can start from scratch. Imagine waking up each morning, knowing your work and income aren't tethered to a location or a rigid 9-to-5 schedule. This vision is not just reserved for a select few anymore. You, too, can seize this digital freedom with a simple step-by-step approach. The first step in this journey is to identify your niche. This is the foundation upon which you'll build everything else. Consider what you're passionate about or deeply interested in. By choosing a niche you love, you'll not only maintain your enthusiasm for the long haul, but also establish credibility. Once you've chosen your niche, delve into understanding the problems or desires of your target audience. The second step is to create valuable content. Content is the currency of the digital world. Whether it's blog posts, videos, or podcasts, share your knowledge and insights to attract and engage your audience. The key here is consistency. Regularly posting high-quality content will not only help you gain trust, but will also boost your visibility in the crowded online space. Now, as your audience begins to grow, the third step is monetization. There are several avenues to consider: affiliate marketing, selling digital products, or offering services. Affiliate marketing is a straightforward route if you're just starting. By promoting products you trust and believe in, you earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. Alternatively, if you've developed an expertise in your niche, consider creating and selling digital products, such as ebooks or online courses, that address specific needs of your audience. The fourth step involves expanding your reach and refining your engagement strategies. Utilize the power of social media to connect with your audience more personally. Platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok can drive massive traffic to your content if leveraged correctly. It is crucial to engage with your audience authentically. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and make them feel valued. Building a community around your brand not only fosters loyalty, but also promotes organic growth through word of mouth. Finally, the fifth step is optimization and scaling. Once your system is in motion, it's time to fine-tune your strategies. Analyze what's working and what isn't. Use tools to track performance metrics like engagement rates and conversions, and adjust your tactics accordingly. Efforts should also be directed towards automation of repetitive tasks, saving you time to focus on creating new content or exploring further growth opportunities. It might seem daunting at first, but taking small, steady steps will lead you to success. Remember, the digital realm favors those who are adaptable and persistent. As the landscape evolves, keep learning and innovating. The beauty of starting an online business from ground zero in 2026 lies in its accessibility. Anyone with dedication and the willingness to learn can turn the digital tide in their favor. So there you have it. A simple system that begins with understanding your passion and ends with optimizing for growth. With the world at your fingertips, there's no better time than now to explore the opportunities of making money online. Embrace this adventure and transform your zero into something truly substantial. Follow and turn on notifications for daily side hustle gems. Need cash flowing today? Head straight to double.kil9to5.com.